Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today's Sunday, so it's time for the Sunday summary where I talk about my grocery expenses, my eBay sales because I'm decluttering, so I'm hoping to get rid of stuff. So if it doesn't go to the charity shop, I put it up on eBay. Any DIY materials I've bought because I'm trying to fix up our house so I can put it up for sale. And basically what I've been up to during the week. I allocate £70 for food for me, my grown-up son of 23 who's 6'3" and built like an oak tree, so he's hard to fill. And I have a cat, a dog and a goldfish as well, so that £70 is for everybody. So this is my journal planner diary type thing, and I write in my shopping. I go shopping a few times a week. I usually go with £15 so I can keep a strict control of me spending. I use cash because I think you spend less when you use cash, and I go looking for bargains, discounts and reduced stuff to try and keep our food bill down. I tend to shop in Asda, Home Bargains, Iceland. I get a few bits and bobs, Tesco a few bits and bobs. I don't get much from Tesco because they're too expensive. So yeah, everything I can possibly to keep our food budget down. Last week I only spent £43.71 and I had an eBay sale of some tanking tape. I bought a tanking kit to seal up the bathroom, so I didn't need the tape because there was already floor tiles down, so I sold them for £8. So with the money I saved, I bought some paint. This is Satinwood quick dry paint. I like it because it's a matte finish, dries quickly and it's not as stinky as gloss paint. I got Egyptian cotton because the walls and the ceiling are painted in that colour, so it also matches. Colour drenching they call it. So yeah, I was pleased to be able to do that this week. There's lots going on. And my groceries came to £56.75, so it's £13.25 under budget. So with that, I bought some kitchen paint, again in Egyptian cotton. The bathroom leads off of the kitchen, so to sort of tie the two together, I'm using Egyptian cotton. This time I'm just doing it on two walls, around where the table is, sort of like where the fridge, the cooker is, that's sort of there. I've tucked some cupboards down. Because the room felt too boxed in, and I've got some holes to fill in where the cupboards are. I managed to pick up some filler from Home Bargains the other day, and that was only £1.49. I thought that was a really good price for filler, because like B&Q and Wickes charge about £6-7 for it, so I thought, so yeah, I was pleased to find that in Home Bargains. So I'll be doing the filling today and painting the kitchen this week. On the two walls, so yeah, I'm really pleased with that. I've got something productive with the money, and as you can see, the emergency fund is low because I had to get a shower and it fixed in and all the rest of it, so I'm slowly building that up. So last week I put £5 in and this week I put £5 in. I'd like to put more in, but as I said, I've got DIY materials to buy. So let me know how you all getting on this week too. Are you putting your house up for sale? Are you doing some painting too, so to refresh your house, make it feel all lovely and pretty again and clean? Or are you trying to keep your food budget under control as well, like everybody else, because times are tough at the moment, aren't they? So thanks so much for listening to me ramble on my Sunday summary. I'm really pleased you came to have a little look-see. Could you please like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.